officially dropped. I told you guys it was coming this week. And as always, let's get into the ladies first. So first up, we have Amber. She is 34. She is a nurse practitioner. Now, what I will say is that everybody, I think the youngest girl that we have is 28. So everybody is basically 30 plus. And I feel like this time around, the pictures did them justice. I did go look at their Instagram. Sometimes the pictures be so trifling. I'm like, there's no way that this person looks like this. And then they look completely different on Instagram. And I'd be like, damn, Netflix is trifling. But I think for the most part, they did okay with the pictures. What I will say is that Amber looks very lovely. Let's look at her shoes. Okay, let's not. Don't love her outfit, and she doesn't look 34 to me, but I do love her hair. I think her hair is looking bouncy, is looking wavy, it is looking great. And who gives a fuck how old she looks, because she's a nurse practitioner, bitch, okay? That's basically a damn doctor. She got a high stress job, okay? Okay, this is Ashley. She is also 34. So there are two types of 34s, okay? Now, anywho, Ashley is a claims manager. Let's take a look at Ashley's shoes. Okay, is that a rhinestone heel? No, it's not. Love a cute strappy floral dress, 30-inch bust down. You can't go wrong. You can't go wrong. Ashley's super cute. You know we get a chaotic blonde every season. We do have a lot of blondes on this cast lineup, but we do have some diversity as well. So I don't know who I'm going to pick for the chaotic blonde, but Ashley's a contender. Next up, we have Bree. She is also 34, senior merchant. That is her job, a senior merchant. Okay, let's take a look at the shoes. Okay, block heel, orange. I like it. I like the look. She looks like she works out. That's good. Okay, next up is Brittany S. Girl, we got to let that weave go. Love you, girl. That's a bad wig. That's a bad wig. If I could tell it's a wig, then I know it's a bad wig. So, sorry. Brittany is 37. She is a flight attendant. Let's see the shoe. Block heel. I don't hate the dress, but I also don't love it. But whatever. Hell, it's picture day. Shit, dress up. Do what you want. Next up, we have Brittany W. She is 33. She is an RN. This is what the fuck I'm talking about. Body, yaddy, 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 yaddy. Let's see the shoes. A cute little strappy, cute little toes. I like Brittany W. I like Brittany W. Now, we know some of these motherfuckers we're never going to see again, right? They're not going to get any screen time, and, you know, they're not going to get no storyline, but I hope the ones that we like actually get some screen time. Next up, we have Bri. She's one of our younger ones. She is 30. She is a real estate agent. I had to go to my girl Bri or Bri, I don't know how you pronounce it because I think it's Brianna or Brianna. I had to go to her Instagram because I was like, ain't no way. Netflix did her shady with this picture. She's a whole baddie. She's a whole baddie. Hair done, nails done, everything did. Instagram's very aesthetic. She travels a lot, okay? Literally looks like two different people. Bri, sue them. Anywho, we have Latex Christine. Christine is 31 and she is a speech language pathologist. So she is another blonde. I think so far we have this is our fourth blonde. Christine has a nice smile. She has nice hair. I really don't like this outfit. It's giving very much, Black Widow, you know what I'm saying? It's given very much, you're probably very hot, you know? That just, it seems like a hot outfit, like you're probably sweating. Anywho, speech language pathologist, we love that. Next up, we have Dynasty. Dynasty is 33 and she is a senior marketing manager. And Dynasty is fine, y'all, okay? She's fine. I think she's gonna make main cast. I hope she makes main cast. If you gave us all these people of color and none of them make main cast, I'm going to riot, okay? Dynasty's so damn fine. She is so damn fine. Next up, we have Elisa. Now, Elisa is 39. I think she's one of the oldest women. I think we have two 39-year-olds. And Elisa is a nurse. She definitely does not look 39. She's giving much younger than 39. You could tell Elisa is a Botox girly. You could tell she, you know, keeps her shit together. She keeps her look together, okay? Next up, we have Emma. Emma is super cute. She is our youngest, I believe. She's 28. She works in retail merchandising. Again, love to see Asian representation. You better not give her 2 seconds of screen time in the pods and then we never see her again. Okay? Gorgeous hair, very cute face. Okay, next up, we have Jennifer, 32, financial professional. Love her hair, love her earrings, hate the dress. It's very ill-fitting. Something's going on up here. We ain't got no titties, girl. We got to wear what fits the itty-bitties, okay? That's okay. Jessica, don't ever wear this dress again, actually. Actually, throw this away, please. It's giving very much medieval times, okay? Medieval slay. Jessica is 39, and she is an infectious disease physician. I know that's right, bitch. From the neck up, Jessica is giving. Next up, we have Kia. She's 31. She's a marketing director, and she is fine. She is fine. I seen her in the little Netflix video. She looks exactly the same. Fine, 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 fine. Next up, we have Priyanka, 34 recruiter. I hate this dress. I hate this dress, but Priyanka's face card does not decline. I love seeing Indian representation. If you did not know, I'm half Indian. My mom is from India. So I'm rooting for Priyanka. I hope Priyanka makes it to main cast. Face cards given. She is so pretty. This is her Netflix picture. I didn't even go look on her Instagram. Next up, we have Rosalind. She's 31. She is a marketing manager. Let's see the shoes. Yeah, I had to go to Rosalind's Instagram because I was just like, something ain't right. Hello. Super duper cutesy. That was just a really bad photo. Don't love the dress. Last but certainly not least is Tyler, 33. She is a sales leader. Now, this is a Tyler I can get on board with. I know that's right. Take the name back. Take the power back. I love a unisex name. I have a unisex name. This is a Tyler I can get on board with. I love the dress. Silk pressed down, okay? Like, I just love when a bitch has her hair done, when she got her nails done and got her shit together, okay? This, I fucks with this. Now, I do hope that Tyler makes main cast. I'm really rooting for Tyler or Dynasty. You know they only gonna give us one. You know what I mean? Except that one season they gave us 3 black women and I was shocked. So I hope we get that again. But of the ladies, Tyler and Dynasty and Priyanka, rooting for you guys. I don't know how much love you're gonna find with these men. We're about to go over these men. I don't know, but let's go through the men. Let's go through the men to see if there's some viable option for these badass, boss-ass ladies.